Here I've got MEDION Life X5004, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first let's tap on phone dialer icon and we will open IMEI number through the secret code. Let's go to keypad, and the secret code is *#06#. And that's it. As you can see, here are both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. Click on OK to go back, and it's time to open also IMEI numbers, but serial number as well through the settings. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Then just select Status, and here a bit lower you can come along with both IMEI numbers, and at the bottom of the list you will notice serial number. So that would be all. This is how you can locate unique numbers that are the description of your phone, of your MEDION Life X5004. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.